I'm making my personal favorite dessert today, which is apple pie. For that I've taken 3 medium-sized Washington apples. I've taken 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 4 spoons of sugar, grounded sugar, and half a teaspoon of lemon juice. This is for the filling. So let's start and prepare our filling. I've chopped the apples finely. Now we are going to prepare the filling. In a pan, we are going to add a spoon of clarified butter, or you can add unsalted butter. After the butter melts in the pan, we are going to add the apples. After adding the apples to the pan, we are going to cook them till they become little soft. We are going to cook them on a medium flame. You can see now that my apples are nearly soft. Now I'm going to add half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder and mix it well. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of grounded sugar. The sugar usually depends upon the sweetness of your apples. You can add or lessen this sugar according to the sweetness of your apples. You can see that my filling is already ready. Now I'm going to add 10 to 15 raisins and mix it well. Then I'm going to add half a teaspoon of lime juice and switch off the gas and let the filling cool down. Now we are going to make the pie crust. For the pie crust, I've taken 250 grams of maida and 150 grams of salted butter. We are going to mix it well. Let's add the butter to our maida first. You can see that I've added butter. Now I'm going to mix the butter and the maida with my fingers and rub it nicely so that the butter is coated very well with the maida. You can see the crumb kind of consistency has been formed. The butter has already been mixed nicely with the maida. Now I'm going to add 1 spoon of grounded sugar into this. And then knead it with chilled water. I'm going to slowly add chilled water to this and try to just mix. We will add little water and bring everything together to form a dough. You can see that the pastry dough is ready. Now I'm going to wrap this with a cling film and refrigerate it for about 1 hour. You can see that after 1 hour my dough is quite firm. Now I'm going to divide this in 2 portions. And now I'm going to roll 1 part of it. You can see that my circular disc is ready. Now I'm going to line it in my pan. You can see that I have lined it up in my baking dish. Now I'm going to pour the filling which I had prepared. But before that, I'm going to prick it very lightly with a fork. Do not go till the bottom of the pan. Just prick it slightly. And transfer your filling. You can see that I have evenly spread the filling on my pie crust. Now I'm going to cover it. Now I'm going to roll the other half. You can see that I have rolled the other half of my dough. Now I'm going to cut thin strips out of this. You can see that I have cut thin strips. Now I'm going to basket weave it on my pie dish. We are going to pick up the biggest one and place it in the center and press it at the corner. Then we're going to pick another one and put a cross. Similarly, we are going to arrange this and basket weave. You can see that I have basket weaved the pie. Now I'm going to brush this with milk and put it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. You all can see that I've baked my pie and it is ready to be enjoyed. Thank you.